In this video, we will solve some problem on diode circuits. First problem is find VR and IF in the following circuit. This is the circuit diagram of a diode containing resistance R and a voltage source of 12 volt. We have to find voltage across this resistance across R having 4 kilo ohm and IF current flowing through this circuit. In this circuit, two diodes are connected. First is the silicon diode and second is the germanium diode. And the P region of both the diodes are connected with the positive terminal of the 12 volt supply and N region with the negative terminal. It means both the diode will be in forward biased condition. We already know when silicon diode is in forward biased condition, the voltage across it is taken as 0.7 volt, and when germanium diode is in forward biased, then we consider the voltage across it is 0.3 volt. It means this circuit can be redrawn like this. Here I have indicated voltage across silicon diode as 0.7 volt and voltage across the germanium diode is indicated as 0.3 volt. The 0.7 volt is the voltage which is used to remove the potential barrier across the silicon diode. Similarly, 0.3 volt is the voltage required to overcome the potential barrier of the germanium diode. So we consider these voltage across silicon diode and germanium diode. Now we have to find the VR and current IF. For that we will use KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law. Applying KVL, I am starting from this voltage source around the loop. First voltage source will be negative minus 12 volt, then voltage across silicon 0.7, then 0.3, and then voltage across this resistor VR equals IR into resistance of this resistor R, IR into R. So this is the KVL equation, minus 12 plus 0.7 plus 0.3 plus RIR equals 0. Now simplify this equation. On simplifying, we will get IR equals 11 upon 4 into 10 to the power 3, which will, in this way, the current IR equals 2.75 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and voltage across resistance R is equal to the current IR multiplied by resistance value R equals 4 kilo ohm. So VR equals R into IR. Put the values of resistance R and IR. On simplifying, it will be 11 volt, and the current IF and IR both are same because the circuit is series circuit, and in series circuit same current will flow through all the elements. So IF and IR is same. So in this way we can write IF equals same as IR, which is 2.75 milliampere. Now we will solve next problem. In this problem, we have to find the value of I, VR1, VR2 and VU. This is the circuit diagram. We have to calculate I, which is the circuit current, VR1, the voltage across 4 kilo ohm resistance, VR2, voltage across 2 kilo ohm resistor, and VO. As shown in the figure, the diode used is silicon diode, and we know when silicon diode conducts, then we take voltage across this as 0.7 volt. So now we will draw again this circuit like this. Here I have indicated the voltage across silicon diode is 0.7 volt. To solve this circuit we use KVL. We have to write KVL equation. We will start from this resistor 4 kilo ohm. Voltage across this resistor means I into resistance value 4 kilo ohm, I into 4 into 10 to the power 3, plus voltage across silicon diode 0.7, plus voltage across this resistor 2 into 10 to the power 3 into I. Then this voltage we have to calculate. We have to include in this equation -5 and then -10. Addition of all these voltage will be 0. So this is the KVL equation. Voltage across resistance 4 kilo ohm, voltage across diode, voltage across resistor 2 kilo ohm, and voltage of this source and voltage of this 10 volt source. Addition of all these voltages should be 0 according to the KVL. Now simplify this equation. On simplifying we will get I equals 143 upon 6 into 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 2.38 milliampere. So this is the current I which will flow in the circuit. Now we will find VR1, voltage across 4 kilo ohm resistance. It will be current I multiplied by resistance value 4 kilo ohm. So VR1 equals I into 4 into 10 to the power 3. It will be 9.52 volt. Similarly, VR2, voltage across 2 kilo ohm resistor. We can calculate also it by multiplying current I with resistance value of this resistor 2 kilo ohm. So VR2 equals I into 2 into 10 to the power 3. It will be 4.76 volt. BO. See here, voltage across this resistor is BO -5, and it will be equal to I into 2 kilo ohm. I into 2 into 10 to the power 3. So BO will be VR2 -5, and VR2 we have calculated here 4.76. So 4.76 minus 5, it will be -0.24 volt. The next problem is find BO, I, I1 and I2 in the following circuit. In this circuit, 2 silicon diodes are used. Both are connected in parallel. We have to find BO. BO means, according to this circuit, BO will be the voltage across these diodes. And we already know when silicon diode conducts, then voltage across it is taken as 0.7 volt. So we can write BO as written here, BO equals 0.7 volt. Both diode will be in forward biased condition because P region of both the diode is connected with the positive terminal of the battery and N region with the ground. To find I, we will write KVL equation. Here these two diodes are in parallel, so voltage across both the diode will be 0.7 volt. We will write the KVL equation. Start from this resistor. So I into 0.3 into 10 to the power 3. I into 0.3 into 10 to the power 3 plus voltage across diode 0.7 minus 10 volt equals 0. This is the KVL equation. Solve this. I equals 31 milliampere. I will be the total current flowing in the circuit. Now we have to find I1 and I2. Since both the diodes are same and made by silicon material connected in parallel, so the current flowing through these two identical diodes will be same. So total current I will be divided equally in these two diodes. In this way, I1 equals I2 equals I by 2. So it will be 15.5 milliampere.